Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'm going to show you some new and exciting products for knitters and crocheters. The first is this round loom knit set. You can use round knitting looms to make hats and handbags, like you may have seen on my daughter Sarah's channel. This loom knit kit contains adjustable pegs that you can move around to accommodate different weights of yarn. You can put the pegs closer for a lightweight yarn, or spread them farther apart for a bulky weight yarn. The kit comes with a tube that you can use with the yarn to easily wrap around the pegs. There's also a long loom set, which contains adjustable pegs as well. I like to alternate colors so you know when to purl a stitch or knit a stitch. There's also an extra large loom that you can use for larger items such as blankets. You can find all three of these in my recommended loom knitting product list at Amazon.com shop Naztazia. The next products are from Stationery Geek. I really like their crochet project notebook, where you'll find a listing of helpful hints like the yarn types, chart symbols, even recommended scarf lengths. The best part are the pages dedicated to projects. You can write down the pattern's name, what color yarn you are using, as well as hook size. They also have these cute yarn ball stickers, which I like to use on the back of envelopes. Their pencils are cute and funny, especially the one that says, "Shh, I'm counting." I especially love their gift tags, most of which can be used for both knitting and crochet. There's other funny ones like, "If you don't like this, can I have it back?" and "I love you nearly as much as I love crochet." So check them out at stationarygeek.co.uk. And finally, Row One Yarn has a monthly yarn subscription where you receive samples from a different independent yarn dyer every month. You'll get 100 grams worth of fingering weight hand-dyed yarns. Be sure to check out their service on their website at row1yarn.com.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.